What's going on, guys? What's good today? What's good in the hood? I hope you're not in the hood, but if you are, what's poppin'? Alright, so I had to go to the store. I had to buy some more of these. Funny story, as I was driving in, there was a car right here behind the seawall, and the bars just passed. Anyway, I think these people were parking, like, they was parking, if you know what I'm saying, behind the seawall. And they left as soon as I pulled in. Guys, I understand it's a pretty view if you want to make love, but not in the middle of a town, please. People want to fish. They don't want to watch you. Never mind. Alright, guys. I gotta turn my beep back on. Usually I wait for the beep and then start talking. Anyway, it's a beautiful day. 65 degrees. You're on my head mount. Because I see at Ace Videos, link in description. He uses the head mount pretty regular. I just feel like it helps a lot more. I think I'm going to get that out there a little more. Oh, I saw a little dink. Maybe not. Alright guys, so the plan was originally to have 2 of these bad boys, like this one. I was wanting to have this one out and my bass rod. Yeah, I know the back of my truck's messy, just going fishing and stuff like that. Anyway, don't judge. Anyway, I was gonna have this one out and that one out because I want to actually catch at least 2 or 3 blue cats. I can deal with channel cats, but I don't know. I want to do a catch and cook for you guys this evening. I was gonna wait till after Christmas. My God, these things suck. But if I wait till Christmas, that's when I'm supposed to be getting a catch and cook set. If I wait that long, I don't really want to wait that long. Y'all know what I'm saying. I want to get it out there for you guys. Because thanks to Ace Videos, link in description. Oh my gosh! Where are they coming from? Oh my Lanta, dude. Oh my. What are these things? Like, I grew up around them, but I don't know what they're called. Jesus, dude. Oh my gosh. Ooh, I need some more shoes. Anyway, I'll catch y'all when we get a first bite or something interesting happens. If we, for some reason, can't catch a fish, I'll do I'll go cook some jalapeno deer sausage over a fire or something. I don't know. Here's the problem. I don't know where. I used to have, see, on both sides, I have, on this side I have, like, I don't know, you know, some storage. And then over here I had, you know, my catfish and stuff, and I don't have a clue where it went, honestly. Probably in my dad's work truck or something. I don't know. Alright, I'm gonna move my truck this way some so I can actually sit there and watch. Yeah, I started looking for my thing right here, my catfish. All it's gonna be, there'll be a big old catfish. Just grab that while I'm trying to back up. Watch me just back off into the river. Let's go. Hop out. I'm gonna try something here. Oh, these things are so aggravating. Look, there's some right there. Oh my God. Wait, see, usually there's a ridge from this point down to this curve, but I don't know what the problem is. So I'm gonna cast like a little off to the side of it, maybe. Feel like let it be. a lot better if I may do that here in just a minute. I got my knife with me. I may, you know, put the stuff that's on this on my spin caster rod. Alright, so here's what we're gonna do. Just take this old worm off. Take old Faithful here, my grandpa's rod. I love it because it was my grandpa's rod, and you can't change my mind because it was my grandpa's rod. That sun's right in my eyeballs. Alright, here's what we're gonna do. We'll take all the stuff off the other one, put it on this one. I bought these just at the store a while ago. Just like I showed at the beginning of the video, these things are size 3. I don't know if that means 3 ounce. I'm pretty sure it does. Correct me if I'm wrong, please, but don't be hateful. Pretty heavy. So I figure it'll sink pretty quick. Oh wait, maybe I do need to let it sink. Alright, it's down there. I need a bush hog out here. You know what I'm saying? Maybe that was my problem earlier. Maybe it's just, maybe the hook was too close to the weights. Because last time I was out here, I broke off the weights, so I just replaced it. So maybe that was the problem. So I put it about, I don't know, 4 inches or so from the hook. And a bigger weight so it sits on the bottom faster and more sturdy. The hook's just, you know, up there. Cross your fingers, guys. Guys, I don't know about it. I ain't got one stinking nibble. I don't know, my girlfriend's brother and them was out there catching 25 to 30 at nighttime. Maybe the problem is there's just no current, or I ain't sure. Looks like we'll be eating sausage tonight, boys. Y'all know how boring it is to fish by yourself? I mean, at least when the fish ain't biting, you got somebody with you. You can have somebody to entertain you. I don't know, guys. I've done tried here in the shallow. I've done tried here with the reeds at. Now I'm over here in the deep part. I think it gets like 60 foot out there. Or maybe deeper than that. I'm not exactly sure. But dude, this sucks booty. Can y'all see that? Or no? It's like geese flying above. I don't know if y'all can see it. I think I had a bite earlier, guys. I think there's 2 more. I don't know if y'all can see them or not. I don't know, like I was sitting like this, and like I saw the geese coming. I have my duck call, and I was just, you know, fiddling around. I don't know if it's legal or not. I was just blowing at them, and like I looked over and I thought I saw my pole jerk down, but you know, we'll never know, I guess. All right, it's confirmed. Had a bite. Thank God. They may be getting a good time. Oh yeah, boy. Alright, I'm making a little transition here. God, these things are really starting to get on my nerves. If I got anything? Don't know, can't tell. Alright, let me catch on and get back right down here, because it's kind of hard. Alright guys, I hate to say this, but I think this will be the end of the video. I probably didn't enjoy it. I didn't either. Only got like 2 nibbles.